All right, guys, here we go. Taking a quick look at the daily chart of the natural gas futures, the standard futures contract. And as you can see, it finally happened. We've been waiting on this thing like forever. We got a close above the 8 exponential, that gray line here. And we have in the past, one, two times, but we did not have any follow through to get us over the next high pivot and or 20 simple day moving average, that blue line, okay? And this time we did, okay? Now, let me put everything on here. And as you can see, that red dash line was a headache. All this area here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Anyway, all those hits on the red dash line of resistance from this little pivot area over on the left-hand side of the chart. Anyway, that's been a problem. And the 20, couldn't get over it as well. But we did today. See, we cleared the red dash line of resistance and the 8 exponential and the 20. Okay, but okay, you got all that. Now let me put this on. Hey, it's not an easy road here, all right? What we have next is the 50-day that we're gonna have to get up and over. That's gonna be possibly even tougher. Not that it can't happen if the shorts start hovering, which they should here pretty soon. I mean, I've already covered, and I'll show you that here in a second. I've already, flipped from short to long. I've been short this thing, forever. But here we go. Back on regarding the 50, we haven't even touched it since the about the middle of December. Okay, so we have about a possible of a 6.5% move here because we have a very significant measured move, price move at the green dash line, which is coincidentally going to be resistance as well. So if we can, come up here, maybe consolidate a little bit, maybe like this area here, but do it on this side, obviously, and push up there. And what I'm looking at is maybe a surge up, pull back, something like that. Okay, possibly. I mean, that's the most bullish concept thesis right now that we can come up with. Time will tell, but hey, looking good. And at some point, the shorts are going to start covering because we're really, technically, we are from the low here from Friday, actually. We're up 16%, and we could run as high if we, come up into that green dash line, which is, I'm telling you, a significant resistance zone, 24%, which is pretty strong in this short period of time. But just wanted to give you a heads up. Here's our UNG that we trade, long or short. We flipped. The chart really is not as bullish looking as the standard natural gas futures chart. But we think we might be able to be able to come up here, have a pop up into this high pivot zone, which I'm going to put red right here, and the 50. UNG is going to be fighting the 50 as well. So possible little from the close today up to that 50. That's about a 9% move. Possibly coming up. So we don't want to count, the eggs before they hatch, but that's what we're looking at. Resistance into this area, maybe a little wick or spike into the 50. And if should we run that high, yeah, I'll probably, just be in and out. Not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I would do. But guys, appreciate you watching the video as always. And give us a follow over on Twitter, and we will see you on the charts.